Steak time is coming. I'm gonna make my herb garlic butter. We got some thyme, we got some rosemary, and then we got our garlic. Some of that flavor on there. Alright, here I am. First winter camp of the season. I'm gonna do an overnighter here at the camp. Pretty nice day out. I'd say it's probably 35. It's gonna get a little chilly tonight, but not too bad. 25 degrees, 22 degrees, something like that. Yeah, I got a new pack in the mail. Wanted to try that out. A used U.S. military pack. It's thing's huge, rucksack, but amazed how much stuff I could cram in there. Started unloading like an idiot. I put my camera tripod underneath everything, so I had to pull some stuff out. But yeah, I'm gonna get started here. Got a lot of wood to gather. I have some gathered already from a couple previous times being down here, but I'm gonna get my tarp set up, and got a monster ribeye, about yay thick. I want to say probably 2 inches thick. I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight. Baked potato. I'm just gonna relax and enjoy this nice weather. Might get some snow tonight, so I could wake up in the morning with a little bit of snow cover, which would be nice. So catch you in a few minutes. So here's the tarp setup for the night. Pretty much the same one I did for the Juicy Lucy video. I like this setup. There's plenty of room in back. I like that it's covered on all sides for the most part. Only difference is I used a stick to prop this up on that video. I don't really feel like having a stick in my way tonight, so yeah, plenty of room. Got this folded under for kind of a ground sheet. I have an extra tarp I'm going to lay down. Just a utility tarp I'm going to lay down on top of this too, just for an extra barrier, and then my sleeping pad and a wool blanket. So, you know, should be okay tonight. Like I said, it's supposed to get a little snow tonight, so I should be nice and toasty and dry in here. But I'm gonna get my gear in here and go hunting for some wood. And I need a lot of wood tonight. And gotta stay warm. So, Bushcraft Network, be right back. Just a little cheapy. But it's better than nothing. There we go. Nice Italian wool blanket. Get this over it so no embers hit my sleeping pad. So I'm ready to go to bed. There we have it. That's home for the night. Ooh. All right. Huh. Check that out. It's hollow. Oh, that is funky. All right. Well, it's firewood. Down limb I found. I believe it's oak. And it'll burn. It's actually a lifesaver that it's hollow. I'd be here all day cutting through this thing, I think. Interesting coloring wood. Alright, so here's my wood stash for the night. Pretty good amount. Bunch of smaller stuff, medium stuff. I got wood all over the place. But it's starting to get chilly here. The sky's getting dark. See? Get a little fire going in a little bit. Right on. Fire time. Brought some little, some old twine I kind of pulled apart. See if that should take a pretty good spark. Let's get this out of the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Had some wind going on here. Pulled out my little pocket bellow, and as soon as I started doing that, the wind picked up and said, "You don't need to do that." Ooh, that feels good. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna pull my steak out, let it kind of dry out, season it up. It's not gonna hurt anything to sit in the open air. It's colder than a refrigerator right now, so it's colder than a refrigerator. Let me get this steak seasoned up here. Where do you see this thing? Thing's ooh, bloody. Yeah, see, this is why I wanted to open it up. And I think it might have still been partially frozen. So, look at that thing. We'll just put it right here. You know, why not? Burn the paper. Burn. All right. I mean, but look at that thing. I mean, look at the thickness of that. That's where the rib was. And look at that thing. I know, it's a dirty rock. Some mud. So, what I'm going to do now is season this pretty heavily. It's a thick steak, so normally I wouldn't season something this early before I'm putting it on the fire, but it's a thick steak and I want some of this salt to kind of seep in, so it's going to look like I'm putting tons and tons of salt on, which I am, but you kind of need to do it for a cut of meat this big. whatever it is, beef, pork, like a pork shoulder, you know, season the hell out of that. So, ooh, snap, crackle, pop. Okay, I'm gonna give that a flip. Season this side up healthily. Healthily? Is that a word? I think it is. And the salt soaks up out some of the moisture too. You can see how wet it was when I took it out of that freezer paper. Nice big old fat clove of garlic, some thyme, and some rosemary. Get that tater in there, get it started cooking. Nice baked potato with butter, lots of butter. Probably take a little while. I'm gonna have to watch it though so it doesn't burn. Man, this is fun. I am having a blast. Okay, so the potato's done. I'm not quite sure what to make of it. I might have fried the living you know what out of it. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna get the steak on here pretty quick and eat. I'm starving. But yeah, I might have messed up the potato. Stay tuned. Alright, let's I could be wrong. I mean, it's soft in there. I might have actually, oh my lord, you know, that's really not that bad. Alright, I'm going to just use this fork, get some of this butter on there. Good chunk of butter, because butter's good. Throw that right there. Let's, boom. Okay. Cutting boards are made to get dirty, right? Alright, I'm going to kind of embed this butter into the potato best I can. Doesn't look that bad. Check that out. Huh? Nice bite of potato. Oh my god. That's really good. It's actually one of the best baked potatoes I've ever had. That's amazing. That's the first time I've ever done a potato quite like that. And man, it paid off. Nice and creamy, and look at that. Alright, well, let's try this side. And that little bit of black char in there, it's like seasoning. don't mind this one bit. It's delicious. Well, there you have it, folks. If I was in a survival situation, I'd eat every bit of this, but I don't need any ash. I got a monster steak coming. We're going to toss this in the fire. Here we go. So what I'm trying to do here is I got the nice warm fire, normal fire here, burning some nice big logs now. It's cold out. But over here I have this rock right here. And I've been putting wood over here and getting coals over here so I can set my grill grate right across here, have a nice warm fire, but then cook my steak over here. So just being patient, building up a nice coal bed. I want that steak to be delicious. I don't want to burn it. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to do the final seasoning here and get this thing on the grill. Nice new layer of salt and pepper. Help give it a nice crust. Only do one side now, but like I said earlier, this is a thick steak, so it needs lots of seasoning. There we go. It's ready for the fire. Alright, let's get this back over the top. Grab our steak, season side down, a little bit of an angle. I think I'm going to turn this around fat side towards the hot. Yeah. Come here. This fire is hot. Alright, so we're going to take this wad and just kind of brush it. Get some of that flavor on there. Alright, put that back in there. I think it's about time to get this steak off. I think she's done. I think. I mean, I think it's a good medium rare. Big ass steak. Yeah. That's done. I'm going to set this here to rest. Got our garlic butter here. Garlic herb butter. Set that there. Give this a couple minutes to rest, and I'm going to cut into this thing. Okay. Oh. Alright, I'm going to I'll point this down so I can see what I'm doing. I got to bite into this thing. Holy moly. Alright, that's just decoration. I can go in the fire. Gotta take some photos, you know. Oh my lord. Oh my God. This steak is glorious. Getting cold quick though. Herbs and butter. Kind of like roasted garlic. It's like kind of golden brown. Mmm. Mmm. I haven't had a good steak in quite some time. I'm going for the middle. I mean, the fat just melts in your mouth. Mm. It's not too salty. You saw the salt I put on it. It is just perfect. So, I'm super happy to be. That's not in your eyes, is it? Super happy to be out here. Spending the night finally. Been wanting to get out. Doing overnight for a while. I figured I'd treat myself to a nice, juicy steak. And, yeah, it was well worth the wait. It took probably a good hour to cook, I'd say. Yeah. I don't know if I'll finish the whole thing or not, but that was kind of a gristly bite, but yeah, that's the chance you take. Ooh. Nope. There we go. Yeah, some of the bites are good. Some have a little too much fat. But, ooh, now that was a good bite. Get up some of this garlic and herbs. Oh, come on now. Oh, man. I'm going to pig out on this for a while. I'll check back with you when I'm on chill time. Around the fire. Have a little cocktail. Or a swill, I should say, but yeah, I'll check back in a little while. I'm going to eat this, as much of it as I can. Stay warm. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's about time for me to call it a night. Oh, I can still feel that warmth from that fire. I got a rager going on over there. Lots of, got a nice I wouldn't call it a long fire, but yeah, it's radiating some heat. But I'm gonna call it quits. I had a good meal. Had some good brandy. I'm gonna crawl underneath this wool blanket, and I'll see you all in the morning. You have a good night. Nighty night.